Hi, this is the Google Pixel 8 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open first the box. We got here the quick switch adapter for just transfer the files for files transfers, the USB Type-C cable, and here we got also the quick start guide, empty safety guide and the warranty card, some paperwork and the SIM eject tool. So that is all of the box accessories. Unfortunately, we haven't here any earbuds, the protective case and the adapter, the charger brick. That's why all of these accessories you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.